Hello. This is a test for my microphone. I I do have some struggles while configuring this microphone. I don't know if the the volume is good or not. But anyways, I wanted to say this is a video test about this microphone, and I hope the effects will actually solve the issue that there is a small static sound in my microphone. So I want to test some effects that will make the sound actually sound better. So I hope this video will help me how to actually improve the audio. So this is it. This is a simple test. It's not a real video, but it's something nice to start in my channel, I guess.